Hello beautiful viewers. On today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create a public group for your project using Telegram. But before we get into it, I'm going to tell you what a Telegram public group is and also show you how it looks like. So guys, Telegram groups are groups that are designed for interactive conversations and engagements among members. An instance of a Telegram group is WikiCat group. Let me show you where is WikiCat group. This is WikiCat group. Guys, you could see that there are interactions among the members. So now, how does one create a public group using Telegram? To create a Telegram group, you first of all click on this icon at the top right of your screen. You then click on new group. You then select the people you want to add to the new group. So I'll be adding Abi. You then click on next. So after clicking on next, you could see that a name has already been given for the group, but I'll have to rename it because that's not the name I want. So I'll click on this X icon and rename it to AHS token. So I'll then click on create. You can see that you've successfully created the group. But guys, I know you noticed that the group has no profile picture. So I'll click on the AHS token and then click on edit. I'll then click on set new photo. So you either get your profile picture from your gallery or you set emoji. So I'll just set emoji. Then I'll click on set as group photo. So after that, you could write a description if you want. This is a tutorial video, remember? So going down, you could see this group type. So you click on public since we are creating a public group. You then come here and generate a link for your group. So I'll be typing AHS token. Okay, you can see AHS token is available. So this is the link that I can share to people. I could share across platforms for people to join my group. So I will now come down to this restrict saving content option. So you could either turn this option on or turn it off, but I'll be turning it off because it's only when it's off that members will be able to copy, save, and forward content from the group. And yes, it's a public group, so you'll need this feature. That's it, guys. It's very easy. We've successfully created a public Telegram group. So the last thing is for us to click on done. Please note that if you choose a public for your group, anyone will be able to find it in search and join. Do not create this link if you want your group to stay private, but now I want it to stay public, so I'll click on OK. That's it, guys. We've successfully created a public Telegram group. You created a group. Groups can have up to 200,000 members, persistent chat history, public links such as t.me/title, admins with different rights. Yes, guys, that's what we want. We've created a public Telegram group. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope the video was helpful. Please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative contents. Bye. See you in the next video.